Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to start crocheting a plushie. Firstly, almost every Wobbles project starts with a magic loop, a looped circle of yarn that lets you crochet tightly in the round. Now build off your magic loop with single crochet stitches. Follow the pattern to increase and decrease as needed, then add your safety eyes before closing head. They can't go in afterward. Now it's time to give your critter some legs. Keep crocheting around half of the body to form the first leg, then slip stitch on the other side to begin the second leg. Stuff as you go to help the legs hold their shape. Now, start each arm with a small magic loop, crochet it into a long cylinders. You'll sew these on later, but don't worry, Wobbles keep sewing to a minimum. Now increase stitches to grow the ears and make them tall, pointy or round depending on your animal. Not every animal has a tail, but if yours does, begin with a magic loop as always. Crochet it into the round to lengthen the tail and adjust size and shape based on your critter. Now it's time to bring your creation to life. Use polyfill stuffing. Stuff slowly and evenly to avoid lumps or bulges. Shape the body and limbs as you go. And finally, use a tapestry needle and the yarn to sew on the arms, legs, ears and tail. Stitch securely but neatly for a clean look. Just take your time. This step gets easier with practice. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.